Hello guys, welcome to this new video. In this video, we are not going to see anything about CAD activities, but this video is related to a channel update. So our channel name is going to change from Engineering Insights to AK Technology Services. So what is AK Technology Services? AK Technology Services is my dream, is my future. As of now, I'm just providing a mechanical design services as a freelancing for the clients where I used to connect with the clients and understand their requirements about the project in terms of a mechanical design, and I'll just provide the CAD services for them. In case if they require any proto development, material selections, and testings and documentation preparation, I will support for those activities as well. But the major scope will be focusing only on the CAD activities. So in future, I'm just going to initiate a startup at tech services company, which is in the name of AK Technology Services. Just to initiate the company, this I'm taking it as a first step. So I'm just renaming our channel name from Engineering Insights to AK Technology Services, and also along with the logos. In this video, we just going to see how I'm going to create a logo. So this will be my completely own idea and my own creativity, and the logo may be registered as my trademark in future when I initiate this as a my own company. So let's get into the video. I would like to share my screen and I will showcase how I'm going to create a logo for it. So to create this logo, I'm using Canva, but already that can able to see there was one logo which I have created. This is in the name of AK Technology Services, but this is I just created just for my desktop wallpaper, and the entire only the name I have edited here. Rest of the things are a default template which is already available in Canva. But as of now, we are going to create a logo which I'm going to create it from the scratch. So just click on the create a design. I'm going to select a logo blank page, size of 500 pixels cross 500 pixels will be created here. Here I'm going to create a logo for our company. I'm going to click on elements. I'm selecting a circle. I'll take this circle which is a very minimal line thickness, expand it and making it a straight in horizontal and vertical way. The next thing, I'm going to create a lines. For lines, I would like to take a we'll take this one. So this will be, I'm pushing it into rotate of angle 90 degree, and this will be as my center line in the logo area. Also just stretch a little bit up and down. Yeah, so this will be exactly center and middle in horizontal and vertical way. In this, I'm just going to create, I'll just copy this line, control C and control V, copy and paste, so that I'll generate another line. This line I'm going to tilt it for the portion of 45 or 30. No, I would like to add more values, so I would like to add 130. Yeah, this will be so fine. I'm going to align this with, let me zoom it here, in this top edge corner, and reduce the length of the line. The line is, and length is not reducing. Let me make it as 90. Okay, let me add it from the scratch itself. So I'm selecting a line here, placing over it, reducing the line length. I'll make this circle to the end. It is already in the end. version. Let's reduce the width here. 150. Okay, 200 is the minimal length of this width. So we can't able to reduce this width anymore. 210 is the minimal one. So let me reduce the angle as 130. But I need this to be as a reduced one, right? Let me try some other circles. Sorry, lines. In shapes. Do I have any lines here? Since we have taken the line from the graphics, it is not allowing us to reduce the length of the line. We'll take a line from the shapes so that we can able to reduce to a very minimal one. Yeah. So in this, I like to have a line length as 3. Even I will delete this center line. Oops. Circle that it can be there. That's not an issue. And this line, I'm going to push and make an angle to 90 degree, and I'll just push it exactly at the center. Yeah, from here to here. Okay, and the border width is 3. Yeah, 3 is fine. I'll just copy paste this line, and I will connect this edge to the corner point of here, and I'll make the position as 130 degree. Realign this point and reduce the length. So I'm going to have exactly angle is 130, and for 130 I need this to be connected in the center line. So here you can able to see the angle is 130 degree. The top point is connected with the top of this vertical line, and this edge point is connected in the horizontal line. So this is how the symmetric logo has to be produced. Next, I'll just copy paste the same line without changing any length. I'm just going to tilt it for 0 degree, and I'm going to place it here. Exactly what I have expected, it came automatically. Really, it's so nice. So I'm going to have this little bit exactly symmetry of this A. Okay, next we are going to create K at the bottom. For the same, I'll just copy paste this line, but for K I'm going to tilt the angle even more. Like to have also 45. Okay, then it will be considered as 135 only. So in 135 I'll just place somewhere here, so where the horizontal line also will be get considered in the top corner. Yeah, and I'll just copy paste this position. I'm making it as 45 degree, and this connecting points I would like to have. Okay, then I just need to move this little bit up. Somewhere here and somewhere here. So in this line also I'll just like to have some extension until this circle. Yeah. So for me, in both the areas, in A as well as K, I just wanted to connect the lines with this circle. Yes, it's perfectly matching, I think, but I need a little bit length. Yes, so it's matching fine. I hope this logo is very simple, elegant, and good, and it's been attractive for my company where it shows the AK Technology Services. Okay, rest. Uh, yeah, fine. Just a single step. That looks good. So this is the logo of AK Technology Services, and this video I just explained how we have created this logo from the scratch. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel. In future, we are going to have a very long uh, videos and very way to go. We'll have a lot of videos, mechanical engineering insights, and some videos which is related to my tech service company as well. So please subscribe to my channel and please follow it. Thank you so much for the watching, and please like, comment and share. Thank you.